Go get it.
He is in on the carry.
Got 16 yards. TJ.
How's Fitzgerald? Y'all doing good?
Going downstairs.
Y'all done.
That's right. 17-0. Yeah, Hurricanes get it on.
To the shower.
And this is a great time to give a big hand to our Fitzgerald High School cheerleaders. It's time for a band boost raffle tickets. I was donated by my father band and today. Hey, press the free.
I gotta go
We have it here in the press box. Kelly Hutchinson. Kelly Hutchinson is one of the week. Tommy Cleaner.
Who was he?
Yeah. Got 23-0. Yeah. Got 24, yeah. Second quarter.
Donated by Jeff Mason of BeachsideProperties.com. Winner, Willister Florida.
Hurricanes on their territory doing their thing over there. Look at their plans to win against the Indians. Seminole County Indians, yeah. Fitzgerald Purple Hurricanes. Seminole Green Indians.
Racing on the parent. Only on the stop.
It was the Seminole County Indians cooking up. It's on them piled on that thing over there. And the Hurricanes ready. The Hurricanes always ready. It's nature for you guys. Then that hurricane swirl out there.
Back on the stop. Logan got the tackle. 24-0. James.
Yeah, Hurricane. That's right. Do y'all thing.
And got our head Shelby Golden presenting the stadium with running machine from Seminole County.
You heard me.
That's right, risk y'all, boys.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Superintendent Princeton Register and Principal Kent Nicholson, we would like to welcome you to tonight's presentation of the Seminole County High School Green Machine Marching Band, under the direction of Drum Major Leondre and Assistant Drum Major Courtney Lynn. The band perform a medley of dance tunes from Daft Punk, recently made famous by the vocal quintet Pentatonics. Drum Major, is your band ready? Now sit back, relax, here is the Green Machine. Ladies and gentlemen, now entering the field on behalf of the Fitzgerald County Board of Education, Superintendent Nancy Wood and Principal Stacy Bell and the faculty and staff of Fitzgerald High School. We proudly present the Fitzgerald High School Marching Canes. The band is led by Director Jonathan Kelly and Assistant Directors Michelle Dennison and Zoe Davis. The band is under the field direction of drum majors Taylor Hawley and Trey Dennison. Tonight, the band will feature the music of Georgia native Ray Charles.
I like what video on YouTube, and it was like,
Well, I ain't no different from football game.
it was like,
We don't learn your songs every week.
and it was like,
You said you're playing flute. You know, you don't learn the songs every week.
That's because you don't have nothing else to do.
They got some little flute out there.
Drum majors, is your band ready?
I'll go, I'll be right back.
So we sit back, relax, and enjoy the Fitzgerald High School Marching Canes.
That tablet's nice.
Thank you.
You hear everything he said?
Huh?
You'll be able to hear everything he said.
Yeah.
We didn't say nothing bad, though. See what I mean? We just joke. We just, you know, we're young. We're living life to the fullest, you know.
Okay. This sounds cool. Yeah.
Yeah, two of the songs. $5 that
crazy friend over here.
It's all right. It's all right. Enjoy yourselves.
Crazy in a good way, though. And this fence is trying to grab my hair.
Don't you hate it?
Hit the road, Jack, and don't come back That's an old song, but
So is. Mighty old.
I've heard it on a movie before, so every time I hear them, you know, not the lyrics, but the music, I memorize the song. I'm like, oh, let's hit the road, Jack.
My mama said that song came out when she was young. Still sounds good, don't it? While we were all around. And it came out before we came around. It's cool.
Every time you hear it, it's like you have to jump in and you gotta sing it.
I know that's right. Come to think of it, my mama used to sing it. Hit the road, Jack.
I know that's right.
She actually used it in a phrase one time with somebody.
Oh, wow.
I like the way they march. Our canes got it going on. The Hurricanes always got it going on.
Oh, yeah.
The dance line, the drum line, the everything line.
I know I used to love to dance.
Really? I do too.
I know I graduated in 2010.
Oh, okay. My brother graduated 2010, Mark McLeod.
Mark McLeod, I know him. I know Mark. Yeah, me and him were good friends.
I should have known. Our classmates used the R. You did too? Oh my goodness. Oh, okay.
But I tell her, hey, that's just as good.
Tell me about it. That's right. Better than nothing.
Exactly. She said she never made it to prom.
Why you go to the prom? Oh, okay. Well, you can always go to the college ball. That'll make up for it. Yeah. You would still feel you had a chance to go to the prom, but only thing different, instead of high school prom, college ball. That's what I was thinking. So don't feel bad. You can always go to the college prom. I mean, the college ball, of course.
If you want to call it a college prom, you can go to college prom, ain't that right?
You know what? I think it's about the same thing in a way. I don't know why they got a different name for it.
But you know how schools are, they name their stuff different. But yeah, I know Mark.
What's your name?
Amanda Lavender.
Okay. Hey, all right. I'm trying to think, did I have a classmate last name Lavender in 1990? But I can't remember their first name. I have to look at my yearbook.
1990?
Yeah, 1990. But I just got to go back and check and make sure it's 1990. That's the year I graduated.
Graduated in 1990. Because I was gonna say that I was gonna say you might have graduated with my dad, or my dad
Maybe.
But my dad, I believe, I'm not sure. I think when my dad graduated. I think my dad graduated like 80 something.
Okay.
Or maybe 89 or something like that.
Okay.
Did you go to school here?
Uh-huh.
You did?
Yep.
Well, you could know him, Mark Lavender.
I forgot his first name, so I can't tell you. It's been so long.
I have a lot of him photos. I mean, half of them I hadn't even met yet.
I love our victory song they playing. I love our victory song they playing.
Oh yeah.
It sounds so good every time. They change it a little bit every year though.
I know. I was telling him. I was like, I wish I would have been in the color card or a chorus or something like that when I was in high school, but I was so shy I didn't even want to, get up and try to be, and I was scared I was going to be made fun of.
You talking about the band or the JRTC?
Well, something, to be able to dance and, move in, like a show choir or the color guard, not the color guard, but the marching band or something.
Yeah.
But I never got into it because, like I said, I was shy.
Because that'd be a shiny that no one has going to
That's what I told him. I said, I wish I would have known what I know now. I mean, I wish I would have known then what I know now.
Yeah.
Because I'll tell you, then I didn't, then I knew a lot, but then I didn't know what I know now, you know what I mean? And I tell you, when I go to church, I sing at church, but I used to wouldn't even get up in front of nobody and sing.
Don't be shy. You know what? Singing in church, don't think about the people. Think about you singing for God. That's the only way you're going to feel good about your talent. Hey?
I like your attitude.
Thank you.
You got a good personality.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thank you.
Hill Pre-K, Trisha Turner, accepting the award in the absence of Trisha, who is in North Georgia right now with her family. Is her daughter.
That's how your brother is, Mark. He's sweet.
Yeah, I know that's right. Thank you.
Ben Hill Primary.
Oh my goodness. Look at all the teachers getting awards.
Oh wow.
It's the night they're doing all the good stuff. What's up? Too bad they don't do the homecoming night. Oh yeah, this is a night we represent seniors, no wonder.
Taylor Powell, escorted by Dr. Tracy Cray Barnes.
You did.
Ben Hill Middle School, Katie Calhoun, escorted by Principal Don Clements. Fitzgerald High School, Leslie McDonald, escorted by Principal Stacey Bell. Margaret Chastain, Chairperson of Ben Hill Education Foundation, will present a check for $500 from the foundation to the District Teacher of the Year. And now we announce to you the Ben Hill County District Teacher of the Year.
I know. I like what they do in the Hurricanes. Don't they?
Ben Hill Primary Teacher.
Yeah, I've seen y'all's mom before. She is so pretty.
Thank you.
Y'all have a beautiful mom.
Thank you.
And you look just like her.
Thank you. Somebody else told me that too.
Mark looks like her too.
I know. It's like we take off our mom so much.
I know.
Everybody know we her kids. That's cool, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
All right, Miss Bell, go ahead and do the kid guy guys, it's time for that real estate $100 field goal, and it's going to be home game.
They used to whenever I was in when I was in school, and I would see Mark. I'd see him with his mom, and I'd be like, okay, Mark, that's got to be your mama. Because at first I didn't know who she was, and then when I first, whenever I noticed him, like at a store or something, I was. And anyways, I was like, is that your mom? And of course, I mean, I didn't ask him if that was his mom, but I thought to myself, okay, that's gotta be his mom. And I told him, I said, your mom is so pretty. And he was like, thank you.
What happened?
Active real estate says, go Canes.
But I tell you, you don't meet a lot of guys, nice like that, you know what I mean?
I know that's right.
It's hard to come by, nice guys like that.
Oh, they still representing somebody down there.
Double-A state champion of the triple jump and 100-meter high hurdles.
It's hard to come by nice people, period.
I know that's right.
9.5 inches. Trey also won Double-A high hurdle award, scoring an impressive 26 points at the 2015 state track meet. Trey is currently attending Morris Hill University on a football and track scholarship. Congratulations to Trey Graham. Kelsey Williams, 2015 Double-A state high jump champion. Captain jumping impressive 6 feet 9 inches at the 2015 Double-A track meet, breaking his own skill record which he set earlier in the season. Pelton also won the best performance trophy at the 2015 state track championship with the best high jump at the state meet. Pelton is currently attending Bethune-Cookman University.
It means some of the Hurricanes ain't dressed with their whole gear on. Those are the ones that ain't playing. I can't believe it, but that's the way it is. I realize some of them ain't dressed to play tonight. They don't have on their gear, but some of them don't. Most of them do.
Narrowly missing the state title by only 8 points. Congratulations, Coach Schultz.
Get off of me. I don't like bugs.
Me neither.
Ooh.
Last time we went to the football game, it was too many big bugs. Tonight, I can't say much about it.
And especially the big cockroaches. Ooh. You gonna take them?
I tried it. Yeah, that's how bad it was. If only the wind would blow, the flies would show.
I know you're right.
Last time the wind was blowing, so the flies were showing.
Too bad there ain't a big old giant spider up there that can eat all the bugs. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The spiders, they eat bugs.
Bug eaters. I mean, bug flew on me last time, but more last time than tonight. They was real big.
Oh yeah.
They was like disturbing everybody in this group. I say it's the light. That's what I say.
Oh yeah, they like the light. That's for sure.
Yeah. Tell me about it. Yeah.
I tell you, I live out in the country, and man, there's some bugs out there. Yeah, what's up? Is that Montana? Oh, I don't know. I didn't look.
He's on the stop roster and return for the Canes.
Leondre Thompson. Yeah. Number 20.
I don't know how. And I get cold easily. You can ask Eli.
That's my niece and nephew.
Oh, okay, they look nice. Pretty.
They are my babies. I love them.
They are another
You be babysitting, don't you?
Well,
Okay.
yeah, that's her grandma. On her left.
Oh, okay. Wow.
She got it tattooed on her leg. Yeah, so she can keep it forever. That is sweet.
I know that's right. I would have never dreamed about getting a tattoo because I always think it hurts. And then what if you don't want it in the future? Then you can't get it off. That's what I think about.
I know that's what I think about too.
Maybe in the future they might create something that make it get off. Don't you think? They always come up with something new.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I hear about a lot of people. They get tattoos and they'll get them and then they'll take and get part. Now a fake tattoo don't bother me, but a real tattoo. Ooh.
You know what? I was just thinking the fake tattoos don't hurt to put it on because it's just something you stick on your skin. You can wash that off.
Yeah.
That's why I don't hurt to put it on nor hurt to take it off. But the real ones, they use needles to put it on. I'm sure it hurts. And I bet it hurts to take it off if they had an idea to get it off. That's scary, ain't it? Tattoos are crazy. Beautiful skin alone without all that, depending on what it is you got on you.
They feel good.
You say it feel good? Wow. Okay. There's a lot for goodies, ain't it, when you get more than two? All right. Hurricanes.
For the Canes, first and goal to go.
We got. That's right.
Martinez signals the time line.
30-0. That's what I'm talking about. Hurricanes. Yeah. 30-0. Hurricanes got 30 and the Seminole County Indians got 0. Right. So it's 31-0. Yeah, the Canes got 31. Yeah, and they get 0 for the guests. Cheerleaders got the purple pom-pom dancing, and then now they got the gold pom-pom dancing. Yeah.
Landon Guy with the tackle for the Canes.
Third quarter, it is. 21, them Seminoles County Canes got them dreadlocks. Yeah.
I should have got me a seat.
One of them soft seats.
My booty started to hurt.
These things are hard what we sitting on, ain't it? No relaxation.
Have you ever seen that movie, The Diary of a Mad Black Woman?
Yeah, I like
Love that movie.
Me too. I watched it 100 times. Seems like.
I love Medea. I tell you what. Tyler Perry is hilarious.
I know. I love watching his movies and shows.
Yeah, I didn't know Tyler Perry played as a woman as Medea until forever. Like after the fact that I watched The Diary of a Mad Black Woman, I didn't even know it was him.
Me neither at first until later.
Yeah, me too. I was like, what? Are you kidding me?
He's making double money. He plays as the old man too, I think.
Oh, he does.
And then he plays as Medea, so that's 2. And sometimes he plays as himself, that's 3. See? 3 times more money for Tyler Perry. Yeah.
I tell you, he does a good job.
That's why he's a millionaire.
I tell you, I wish I had his job. I need the money.
Me too, I need to go do something. That movie making sounds like a great idea.
It does. I know they've been making a lot of movies here in Georgia.
Yeah, I know, it's about time. Georgia Peach State got to show out some kind of way, don't they? No matter where it is. After a while, it'll be all over Georgia.
Oh, yeah. I heard they were making a movie. Where was it? I think it was in somewhere really close by. I mean, not really close by, but somewhere like close enough, that we can go to.
Really?
Like somewhere like close to I don't know, close to Macon. Or something like that.
Sounds good.
Because they've made movies in Atlanta before.
Oh yeah, that's where they make them at the most too. The capital of Georgia.
And that's where Tyler Perry is originally from, Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
No.
And I was surprised. I was like, Mom, can we go to Atlanta so I can meet Tyler Perry? But I tell you, I love him. He is awesome.
I hope to see him too someday. Me and my girls. Yeah.
You might take me with you.
Tell me about it.
I'm like, can I be in one of your movies? I tell you.
It would be nice to come to Fitzgerald or something. To make a movie like he does everywhere else. It would be nice.
I'd be asking that too. I'd be like, can you come to Fitzgerald and please make a movie?
I thought about asking him when I get a chance, but it's hard to find out where he is almost.
It is.
It's always hard to find the celebrities. They say it. Now it seems true.
They stay undercover a lot.
I seem to see that too.
That paparazzi.
Yeah.
The paparazzi. They love stalking them celebrities and taking pictures and stuff. They're like, oh my God, okay, what is this celebrity doing wrong? Let's take a picture and put it in the paper. In my opinion, the paparazzi need not be nosing in other people's business.
That's right.
I mean, if them celebrities want somebody in their business, they'll go up to them and be like, hey, can you do this? But here in Fitzgerald, you gotta go to the, what's it called, the newspaper, what do you call it,
Oh my goodness. I can't think.
But the, what is it called, anyways, it's where they put stuff in the shopper and the newspaper. You gotta go up there and tell them to put stuff in the paper. But when it's a celebrity, they'll just do it without asking you.
That's good. I'm glad you told me that.
Yeah, you can go up there to the, you can put stuff in the paper here, what's that building called that you guys
Hurricanes, back them up. This is Purple Hurricanes territory by the Seminole County Indians up. Yeah.
I know, but what's the, what do you go to?
Thank you, Tommy Scott.
I know, but what is the name of the place? Just if you want something in the shopper, you just gotta you have internet.
Find out about the newspaper in Atlanta and try to get Tyler Perry to come down through them.
I know you right.
That'd be a good idea. You're gonna get Tyler Perry to come down here to Fitzgerald from Atlanta by having it in their Herald Leader or whatever kind of newspaper they got. That'd be good in Atlanta. ATL, yeah. Down here FITZ doing it.
Like Medea says, call Popo. That was a part on there, you remember it? You remember that part?
Yeah.
Well, you know that song?
Nope.
You heard it?
I don't think I heard it. Me and her listen to much music, so it's like. But when I do, it's like different kinds of radio stations, different kind of music. So I'll be missing some of the stuff that y'all probably brought up a minute ago.
Hey, that's all right. But yeah, she says in the movie, she says, I'm gonna call the Popo, and then the other girl says,
right?
Other girl says, I don't care, I ain't scared of no Popo. And then Medea's like, well, they'll be here in, she says, they'll be here in 10 minutes. And Medea's like, well, that gives me 9 to beat the, you know, what out of you.
I know the part of Mother says, call the Popo hole, call the Popo hole.
That was funny, wasn't it?
It's fun.
Got my phone, Bluetooth and everything from my old phone. And then it turned Bluetooth on. I about killed my phone.
Antonio Perry.
I lost all my
Turner uncovered to the Indians.
I had like 300 some pictures on my phone.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
I hope we keep on winning. They're just trying to get closer to their territory, the Seminole County Indians. Well, we Hurricanes, this is really our Purple Hurricane territory, so we know we gotta keep them backed up so we can keep on winning. See what I'm saying? See, they're really on our Hurricane territory altogether. So they coming down here, they can't rain on our Hurricanes. They done gone insane.
Chicago fumble.
So you gotta have your data on.
Yeah. Big old purple
That's
finger.
the song.
Oh, okay. Who's singing? It sounds good.
My grandma was doing it.
After 3, your Canes are up 30, 1-0.
Yeah, that's right. They're 1-0. We started in fourth. Now we start in fourth quarter, 12 minutes. Yeah. Of course, you can't see it in the middle where it says 1200, which means we got 12 minutes each quarter. That's right. And we're on fourth quarter too. Yeah.
Told you I love dance.
Yeah, sounds so good.
When I get to know somebody good, you can't keep me from dancing around them.
Tell me about it.
Now, if I don't know them real good, I'm gonna be shy around and be like, I ain't gonna dance in front of you. Nope. But I know you, so I'll be dancing.
Do your thing, girl.
I can even drop it like it's hot. You know what that is?
You talking about the crazy down dance, going to the ground down, all the way down dance?
I can do that.
I can imagine. Because you say you like to dance, and you can do all the dances when you want to dance. And when you like dancing, you can try anything. That's what they always say.
I can't split. I can't do a split, though.
Yeah, I know. It's so complicated. It's like only the gymnast people do it. Or maybe somebody double jointed, maybe.
I mean, I'm a little double jointed. I can take my foot and I can touch my head, my forehead with it. I can take my foot and touch my forehead. So I'm a little double jointed.
You can touch your forehead, huh? Yeah. Are you talking about as a cheerleader do? Like a gymnast?
Like you know how some people they can take their foot and put it behind their head.
Behind their head.
Behind their head, I can almost do that. I can't do it, but I can touch my head with my foot. So
sounds kind of scary, don't you think? A little.
I guess.
Because you won't have to worry about getting stuck. I used to watch stuff on TV like that, you know? They probably just playing it for the movie, getting stuck, somebody doing that and playing it getting stuck. They can't be serious getting stuck. Now they know how to do it. They know how to get apart. I mean, like, you get stuck, you know how to get unstuck, that's what I'm saying. So I'm like, they just probably playing for the movie.
Well, see, I was in gymnastics when I was little, and I asked my mom when I was, now that I'm older, I asked her, I said, Mom, because I don't remember half of it. A lot, somewhat. And I block out half of the stuff that I had to go through. And when I block it out, I just don't, I don't remember any of it. So.
Okay.
I didn't learn how to do that. It's a talent, I'm sorry. Yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, about gymnastics. I asked her, I said, Mom, what made me want to get out of gymnastics? She said that I was afraid that I was going to break something. And
Leondre dancing. Number 20. Who was out there dancing? That music that the Seminoles doing, I gotta see what they doing over there. The cheerleaders over there dancing. Oh my goodness. Where the pom-poms at?
She wants to tell you something.
Go ahead. Huh?
She was abused when she was just a little girl.
Really?
Every weekend. By me, by my papa.
Uh-huh.
We would get drunk.
I like it when they do that. Yeah.
But yeah, she told me that I got out because my brother something. And I said, well, man, if I would have been in there still, I would have been able to do splits and everything else. And she told me, she said, when I was 5, that I broke my leg, but it wasn't in gymnastics. It was on a four-wheeler, because I was riding a four-wheeler, and the four-wheeler turned sideways, and it crushed my leg. I'm not gonna lie to you, it hurts sometimes, like whenever I'm walking on it and stuff. If I walk a long period of time or something, it'll hurt. The muscle in it, because it's, I guess, because it's what do you call it? It's strengthening it. So I guess that's why it's hurting. It's making it a lot, I'm getting a good workout, and it's making it where I'm used to it, so it won't hurt. I guess. I don't know.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah. But
that's why Leondre play that football. Yeah. Cousin football. I wish he was in the game, but he's not. He's on the sideline.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're them hurricane flags. I like that. Well, something like that.
I'm crazy. Hey, I think normal's overrated. I'd rather be crazy than normal. Ain't that right?
Right?
Who wants to be normal, right?
I don't know.
I don't want to be normal. I want to be unique.
You want to be unique?
Unique, different.
Yeah, me too. Just be yourself. Be yourself.
I'm myself all the time.
Me too.
And people think I'm crazy, but I don't care.
People always call somebody else crazy when they're really crazy, huh? That's the way it always is.
Because I don't know the real part of it. They don't know what lie. They don't know. They think that what they see is. They think what they see is what it is, but it's not. What they see is really what is. It's reality. What they see, but they don't want to see it for what it is.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. All right, cheerleaders, do y'all thing. Y'all got cold. Y'all need jackets now. We got 37, yeah. Hurricane 37 to 0. Yeah.
Is good.
Oh, sorry.
Hurricanes.
Hurricanes in a pile, waiting to stir up storm.
But no, what I meant by that is like, say somebody was picking on me or something, and I was different.